Welcome to Commons West. This is a 5-story apartment building on the western end of the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment 205, a studio on the 2nd floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, the first thing you'll see is a large closet on your left. Heading on into the apartment, you'll see your kitchen with a refrigerator, a microwave, a dishwasher, and an electric oven and range. Every studio apartment comes with 5 pieces of furniture: a dresser, a desk and desk chair, a bookshelf, and a full-size bed. This apartment faces west, overlooking Cayuga Street. Every studio comes with an air conditioner and a heating element, and an intercom so you can buzz your friends up. This apartment also has a second closet. We'll finish in the bathroom. A nice bathroom with a vanity and medicine cabinet, and a shower and tub combo. Rent for Commons West Apartments includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons West 205. Call us today for availability.